In this quick guide, I'll show you how to sign in to your GoDaddy account in just a few simple steps. First, open your browser and go to GoDaddy.com. The easiest way is to search for GoDaddy on Google and click the top link. Once the homepage loads, look at the top right corner and click the sign in button. On the sign in page, you have a few options. You can log in using your email and password, or for a quicker method, use your Google or Facebook account if it's linked. If you're using your email, type it carefully along with your password, then click continue. Make sure your caps lock is off since passwords are case sensitive. If you ever forget your password, don't worry, GoDaddy offers a password recovery option to help you regain access quickly. And that's it. You're now signed in and ready to manage your domains, hosting, or other services. If you found this guide helpful, like this video and subscribe for more easy to follow GoDaddy tips.